Overpackers, I have the viral bag that saved me $70 in luggage fees. This is the Foldie. You guys, let's do a quick unboxing. Be careful with where you're cutting because you don't want to cut the bag. Now, quick story about this bag and what made me get it. So we get to the airport and both mine and my roommate's luggage is overweight. She has a Foldie, I don't. The bag treated me so nice, got it twice. Y'all, let's get into this bag, honey. Start with the outermost pocket. Has a zipper. Normally I would say put your passport here, but I have a surprise for you. Let's flip this bag to the back. This is where your luggage strap is. Check this out, a pocket. Usually there's a luggage strap or a pocket, both. Let me put y'all up on game. Bang. You carry your suitcase this way. So to add extra protection to your item, put it there. I'll put my passport there, my license, credit card, anything I don't want somebody to pickpocket. Now let's talk about the inside of this bag. How many times have we been on a plane and get them pesky immigration forms and don't have a pen and the digital option is not working? Just slide your 2 pens here. This is my phone. It's enough, 2 pockets, wide enough for your phone. There's also a back pocket. And this is a wet pocket. So now you have the opening. I am going to put some paper in there to illustrate, just how it looks when it's stuffed. Look at this. Look at this. But wait, there's more. Boom. What? Just like that, you have more room so you can go even deeper. But wait, there's more because the Foldie people knew us. Y'all. Padded strap, so it's not cutting into your chest. Take my phone. We are ready. We are ready. We ready. We are ready. We are ready. And just like that, let's break this bag down. I'm just going to do this for stability. I'm going to recommend unzipping it, that way any air that's in there is going to get out. We are down to the final corners, guys. And we did it. We have our bag. This is our bag, you guys. I just love it when it's not in use. Just throw it in. Are you going to use it? You don't know. I don't know. But I know you don't want to pay that $70. Get your Foldie. Visit shapelyevents.com for a coupon code and more plus-size friendly travel gear.